Hey guys, we're live. I'm here with my lovely wife, Randy. Hey, what's up, everybody? All right, where are we? Kobe, tell us, where are we?
You're at 109 right now.
Beautiful. Okay, guys, I need 3 minutes of your time. I'm going to show you a video. I want you to watch it, and then I want you to tell me I want you to think about what do you see. So, whatever you notice in that video, go for it, all right? Thank you. Once again, Kobe, where are they?
You're at 109 right now.
All right. Stay tuned. We'll be right back after these videos. They're playing Gnarls, Barkley, Crazy. I remember when I heard this song, I was in Culver City, California, whenever this song was released. And when I played it, I felt so connected to the song, like they were talking about me, because I was a lonely black man in Culver City, California, like just walking around and stuff, and I was just doing my thing, living my life. So here I am doing my thing, living my life in Ireland, in Dublin, Ireland, and this song is playing. Nice smoke. Well, we're about to board a flight from Dublin to Copenhagen.
Flight 3977 to Barcelona. Gate is closing next 2 minutes at the gate 102. All remaining passengers wish to travel.
I think I might be the only African American, only black person on this flight.
Please make your way immediately to the gate 102.
Well, this woman looks like she's a person of color. I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now like to flight passengers in boarding group 3, traveling on Swiss Airlines flight LX401 to please come forward for boarding now at gate 109. This is a boarding call for passengers in groups 1, 2, and 3.
Good timing, I guess. I heard my numbers called. It was to be expected, of course. Got it on film. That was cool. But back to my commentary. As I was saying, I think I might be the only person of color on this flight, or black, definitely American black man. Oh, looks like an Indian dude is right here. Hey, okay guys, thank you for watching those 3 minutes of videos. Kobe, tell them where they are.
You're at 109 right now.
Peace. All right. So, what did you notice in those 3 minutes? Okay, what did you notice? Like, did you see him? All right, that's what I was hoping that you would say. All right, yes. All right, so you did notice him. What else did you notice? Wait a minute. You probably noticed the numbers, right? 109 was there on the receipt, and then also 109 was uttered over the loudspeaker. Maybe you weren't paying attention to the loudspeaker because the guy distracted you. So go back and watch the video again. That's all I can say. All right. But please check it out because that's what we're going to talk about. That's what we're going to talk about here. Okay. Randy is just so quiet, just waiting and wait. Randy, don't wait. Come on. We got to just get in here and tell the people what they need to know and then get on and do our thing. Okay. All right. Let me see. What?
I was about to say something.
Okay, say something.
Well, you said it all, like, so keep going.
Oh, all right. Well, okay. Okay. So what else? What else? Yeah. So we're gonna talk about that video, and then there are a couple of things I wanted to mention also. I watched a Netflix show, and the Netflix show is called what is it? Manifest. It's a bunch of BS. I don't like it because it's too unbelievable. It's just ridiculous, right? In fact, they start with a lie, and then every other episode, I imagine, is just trying to develop that lie, right? Because whatever they're talking about is basically impossible. I bring that up because I'm saying, 109 is not like that at all. My story is based upon my experiences with these particular numbers. That's all that there is. I'm not trying to convince you of anything. I'm just trying to show you what happened and what keeps happening to me. I'm just trying to just show you. That's it. I mean, I do have some interpretations, but forget the interpretation. Just ride with me with these moments where I encounter these numbers serendipitously, okay? That's really what I want. Just ride with me and check it out because it's so bizarre and peculiar. Okay. Yeah. So I'm not trying to uh, what is it? Not trying to convince you of anything. I'm just trying to show you. All right. And then the TV show is just unbelievable. Like they got me hooked because they were talking about um, something that was interesting, like manifest. Like you think of something and then it manifests. That's what I was thinking they were going for. But then they lost me when, this sort of like time travel element was added and it was just completely unbelievable. So, whatever. So at this point, I'm not even recommending, watch that. It's just, keep watching this channel. All right. iSEE109 because, or 109 as Kobe said it, because this is more interesting.
And it's like, you wonder what's gonna happen next.
Yeah. And it's all factual. It's all based in fact, right? Okay. So, all right. Yeah, that was a little bit of a disclaimer. Just let you know that these are all facts, and we're not trying to fool you and trying to lie to you and not trying to convince you of anything. Okay, so let's talk about those videos that we just watched. All right. So did you notice the gentleman? Okay, I didn't notice him I really didn't notice him when I was there at the restaurant because I was eating my meal and I was filming, smoking a cigar. Um, I knew that they were behind me, but that was about it. I didn't pay attention to them. They didn't complain because I was smoking. They were smoking too, so it was nothing for me to be concerned with. But that guy, you saw him in the video, that was May 3rd that I sat at that restaurant. And then on May 5th, there I was at the airport. So basically, we were on the same flight. We must have flown into Ireland together and also flown out because he's sitting across from me while we're waiting at the gate, at the same gate to board the same flight. Now, here's the really wild thing. Okay, yes, my meal, the tab came to number 109. That was 2 days prior, right? And then as we're boarding the plane over the loudspeaker, someone says something to the effect, "Everyone go to this gate for flight 109."
Then what happened?
Then what happened? Then what happened?
um, well, should I say something or do we want people to figure it out on their own?
Oh, you mean the dude was looking
Kept
directly at me?
Yes.
Like notice that. Like watch the video as you hear over the loudspeaker 109, I'm in my own world here just panning across. I'm talking about all of the stuff that I'm noticing on my own and I'm not paying attention to that same guy. He's staring right into the camera. I mean, okay, what explains that? He noticed that I was filming and he's like, "Hey, he's filming me." That might have been the kind of acknowledgement that he was like, "Oh, this guy's filming me right now," right? 2 days prior, I was at the restaurant and he was looking into the camera then too. "Hey, that guy's filming." But he didn't seem, to be concerned with, "Hey, that guy's filming me." It was more like, "Hey, what's that guy doing?" "Oh, he's filming and he's, eating and whatever, whatever." So that was the situation. Yep. So that's what happened. So that's the video. Just wanted to share that with you. So what do you think? What do you think is going on? I threw it out there. I told Randy about this. I was like, well, could he have been working with the CIA? And so, like, I imagine, like, after that video was taken, he's on the phone with the members of the CIA saying, I confirm that he did hear 109 over the loudspeaker as planned. I looked directly in his line of view as 109 was uttered over the loudspeaker. So he knows 109 was uttered. And then, so assignment number 2 is checked off. Assignment number 1, yes, he was at the restaurant. We did give him tab number 109 confirmed. So I confirm all of this. Like, that would be his report back to the CIA or something like that. But no, that didn't happen. I'm not saying that happened. I'm just saying. And the fact that that didn't happen makes my story even more bizarre.
Right.
Like, okay, so how did I end up at that restaurant? I went to the cigar shop, and I asked the guy, like, what cigar to buy and where can I smoke? And the guy told me go to this restaurant, Brooksel's. It's a nice restaurant, not too far from the cigar shop. So that's how I chose that location. It was a great restaurant. The food was wonderful. I could smoke outside. All of that was great. Was that guy working at the cigar place part of the CIA too? Was he in on it too?
No.
Like, confirmation, he just left the cigar shop. I gave him 3 restaurant suggestions. He's a lazy guy. He's only going to go to the restaurant that's nearest to the cigar shop. So I put my money on Bruxelles. That's the name of the place. Bruxxels. Bruxelles. He's going to Bruxelles. Okay. Agent 007 is sitting at Bruxelles outside. He has the cigar he wants to smoke. We'll be out there too. I don't know. That's too much. But there he was. Got 109 on the tab. And then I got, then 109 was over the loudspeaker too. And that's all on tape. And where are we?
You're at 109 right now.
Baby, it all works. Lovely. It's all fits together. And Randy, you didn't say much. Okay, I'm going to give you the opportunity to just speak. Just go. Say whatever is on your mind. Talk to the people.
You said everything so well. I'm so proud of you. Like, I mean, you covered everything, so there isn't anything like left for me to say.
Turn your mic up over here.
Oh, we're at 109.
Yep.
That's it.
Window seat surfing on the wing. As an adolescent, I dreamed of big things. Climb to the top of the mountain to see the scene. Petty wap don't want me to have anything. I'm the captain, no jet lag. Boeing jet swag. Floating to the sunset, keep the drinks coming back. She summoned me, gave me turbulence on the sink. Pretty flight attendant boarding pass, I'm a buddy. Stunting first class, vegan meal yummy.